In this video, you will learn how you can create a new folder on your Windows 11 machine. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Edmond Sarkodie. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a folder on your Windows 11 machine. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our new video. To start creating a folder on your Windows machine, you can create it on the desktop or on your local drive if you desire. So to start on the desktop, you right click on the desktop, then you click on new, then you click on folder, then you give the folder a name as your folder you created, or on the taskbar click on open File Explorer, then on your left panel click on this PC, then click on your local drive, then right click in on your local drive, then click on new, then folder, then give the folder a name. This will create a folder on your Windows 11 machine. If the video has been of help to you, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you for watching.